Greetings and welcome to my channel. This is Sorcerer Tal. You can also find me on Facebook in the Sorcerer's Guild. Today we are going to talk once again about Chaos Magic and how there is no real leaving chaos. Over the past few months I have been talking about leaving the Chaos Magic paradigm and entering into the weird and how they were the same thing. But as I follow into the weird and find the lines of fate as they twist, in the end, what I find is that the spin is in the center, and as it moves out, there is more. I said it in the last video that the weird isn't the past or the future, but is only in the present. So it is not all things. All things, the all thing encompasses a much larger continuum, a great self-sustaining chain reaction that is a conflicting coinciding of coincidences that even at its central core we find chaos. There is the nothing. There is nothing in nihilism, yes? And the only answer to nihilism is absurdism. And the only answer to the fact that there is nothing, that nothing exists, the only thing that responds to that impossibility is chaos. It twists and turns. It doesn't care to be comprehended. It is everything. It is the twisting, turning reality of all. And so now I understand that in my seeking of the weird and finding the patterns, I was only finding bits within the chaos, the twisting strangeness. It is that unpredictability, that mystery that moves things forward. It is all. All is chaos. Even order is chaos. There is order within chaos. There is order outside of chaos. Chaos creates order. Because without chaos, the nothing exists. And though the nothing always exists, chaos is the response to that impossibility. It is in this chain reaction that all things are. And though in some ways I am repeatedly repeating myself with what I am saying, each movement has a different linguistic turn to what is said. And I understand now that everything turns, everything spins, and that spin creates more, and that more creates more spin. And it is the twisting of the weird within chaos that keeps it moving. The central core. Without is chaos. Within is chaos. All things are chaos taking form. I've spoken before about the undefined and how it is in the undefined that we find magic. This is chaos. The unobserved potential is within all things. And this is chaos. This is chaos magic. This is the thing which I cannot leave. And so there is no returning. But I see how it has been burning and learning and churning. And I know now that now is chaos. Before is chaos. After is chaos. Chaos surrounds all things. It is things. It is the self-encompassing madness. With it, within, there is no without. Except for the impossibility of nothing. For every thing, there is an equal and opposite thing. And the sum total of the universe is nothing. And yet, at the same time, for everything, there is an equal and opposite thing, and the sum total of the universe is unknowable. This is chaos. It sings, it brings, it is all things. And it is what we are learning. It is what we are learning to do our turning within as we twist and become and renew what we are, what we is, what we will be, what all things are, with the turning and spinning of the is that is chaos. And so we find ourselves in a way back where we started, but on a new turn of the same will that we can turn according to our will. And it is within chaos that we find the new ways forward. There is always change, there is always movement, there is always strange, there is always unpredictable randomness within the universe. And this is what gives us the verse of our song. And though we sometimes find it a curse, there is no other recourse to the course that we are on. All is chaos. And all is as it is, and all spins with the turning of the weird, and the weird is chaos, and chaos is the weird, and chaos is the gap, the void, the all thing, the nothing. All is chaos, and chaos is all. And so I find the truth is unknowable, and unknowable is the only truth that we will ever know. Okay, so that's going to be it for this episode. Perhaps not. Perhaps I should give some actual words about what I mean that don't rhyme and sing. There is a movement, a motion of poetry and patterns that persists within us and without us and in all things. A aesthetic momentum that increases as it flows and goes throughout all of existence, and it expands as it contracts and rises as it falls, but goes forward and outward and grows and flows and moves and becomes what it is, what it shall be, what it was, all at the same time, but all in a cycle, in motion, in movement, straight lines that become circles, that become straight lines, that become circles, that become twists and turns into the burning understanding, the perception of self that we become with each new incarnation, with each motion, each change. We perceive and believe, and we leave behind the things that we were, and become the things that we are and will be as we flow forward in momentum through change in space, falling down, rising up. We move, we persist, we insist, we learn, we become. And chaos flows forth, because all is chaos, and chaos is all. And as I said, truth is unknowable, and it is in that not knowing that we find truth. And so this is why I cannot return to chaos, because I never really left. But the paradigm shifts and turns back to that which I found to be the same. This growing and knowing that is constantly new, but always the same. It is the unpredictable mystery and random nature of existence that keeps it existing. This is how we persist. This is how we become. This is what we are. And perhaps in this keening you find no meaning, but the answer to nihilism is absurdity. To find your own meaning, to dance within the webs and find the tune to which you are strung, that twists your web, your threads forward. We find free will with the turning of the wheel and the chaos that it brings. Okay. I think that is going to be it for this episode. I hope that within this rhyming verse that persists and insists in coming out on me, that I have explained what I am meaning to say in a proper way. But it flows and moves through me, and I will say it as it came. I return to that which I never left. I am chaos. I become chaos. We are chaos. I am chaos. And I see the future, the past, and the present can merge and form and twist and turn. But even when we proceed in a linear fashion, this is chaos. And so, with that, I will finally say, bright blessings and an interesting fate. This has been Sorcerer Tal.